Sherry, thank you. It's Tuesday, and that means we are answering your medical questions with a TriHealth professional. Today, we're joined by President of the TriHealth Population Health Organization, Dr. Randy CURNOW. Dr. Randy, thank you for being here.
Ryan, absolute pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir. So if we can, let's get the question on the board. The question is, as someone who has a number of medical problems, some overlapping and some not, I have a lot of doctors. How do I go about finding a medical caseworker to help me manage my physical medical issues? This question is coming from Nora in Cincinnati.
Well, Ryan, this question is a perfect time to be asked because we're really entering a new era of population health where we're being much more responsive to the needs of patients across a continuum of care. And the short answer to her question is she needs a primary care provider, either a physician or a nurse practitioner or a clinic, whatever resource is available to her. Primary care providers are now incentivized and aligned to make sure that patients get their needs met across a continuum of care. And so in this age more than any other, it's vital that you have someone who can be that quarterback for her to help her understand the options and resources at her disposal. And sometimes primary care physicians can have access to things like care coordinators and social workers now that they didn't in the past that can also help streamline the process. It's a very complicated situation sometimes.
And Dr. Randy, we were talking, would you say that you all are the first line of defense?
Yes, I would say I'm a primary care doctor myself, and I would say we certainly are the first line of defense, not only for most of the medical problems patients have, but also certainly to help navigate this ever more complicated healthcare environment.
So what would you say to someone about how to go about finding a good primary care doctor?
I think that there are resources in the community, public health clinics. There are also TriHealth, for instance, has a number you could call and they'll get you in touch with a primary care doctor right away. There are lots of resources available. This region has lots of great doctors that can make a big difference in people's lives.
Well, Dr. Randy, thank you so much for being here. And remember, the answers you hear from our TriHealth experts are just a good place to start. This is not a replacement for advice from your own doctor. Please send us your medical questions and a TriHealth doctor will answer it live on the air next Tuesday. Just look for the link at WCPO.com.